Brendan Greene here at Falls Motor City, bringing you this 2013 Jeep Wrangler. Let me know what you think. We just took in this 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited SAHARA 4x4. Has 141 clicks on the odometer. It is high mileage, but I just took it around the block and it was well cared for and maintained by the previous owners. It does have a couple add-ons like the LED headlights and tail lights. Factory auto start. It's got the soft top on it now, but it does also come with a hard top. It's not perfect. I mean, there are some flaws, but it should clean up real nice after we get it through our detail, service, and safety inspection. This is a solid Jeep. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me, 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity to earn your business and trust here at Falls Motor City Dodge. Here is the interior of this Jeep Wrangler. It does have heated leather seats with SAHARA stitched into the backrest. You got power windows, power locks, keyless entry, auto starter, cruise control. There is 141,788 clicks on the odometer. We do have the touchscreen radio with navigation, power windows, automatic transmission. The AC does blow ice cold. Auto dimming rearview mirror. Here is the soft top, and again, it does come with a hard top. You do have a sound bar in the center. Radio sounds great. Doesn't even look like the back seats were ever sat in. And plenty of storage for what you need in the back. If you have any questions on this Jeep, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 330-510-9613.